Did you know, according to a report by PwC, the economic impact of AI could reach $15.7 trillion? And do you know the AI revolution can boost the local economy's GDP by 26% and global GDP up by 14%? And are you keen to know which country will gain maximum benefits from AI? Curious? Yes. So are we. So let's start with what exactly is the AI revolution. The world as we know it is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and at the heart of this transformation lies the AI revolution. It is a revolution that is reshaping virtually every aspect of our lives, from the way we work and communicate to the way we receive healthcare and shop online. The exponential increase in computing power and data storage capacity has enabled AI systems to achieve levels of performance that were once unimaginable, and the rise of machine learning techniques means that these systems can adapt and improve over time. One of the key drivers of the AI revolution is the exponential increase in computing power and data storage capacity. As these resources have become more widely available and affordable, it has become possible to create ever more sophisticated algorithms and models that can process and analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. This has enabled AI systems to achieve levels of performance that were previously unimaginable, from beating human champions at complex games like chess and Go, to detecting cancer cells in medical images with greater accuracy than trained human experts. Another factor contributing to the AI revolution is the rise of machine learning techniques, which allow AI systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that AI systems can adapt and improve over time, getting better and more accurate as they are exposed to more data and experience. This has led to a proliferation of AI-powered applications and services, ranging from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation engines used by e-commerce sites and social media platforms. The impact of the AI revolution is already being felt across a wide range of industries and sectors. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to develop new diagnostic tools and personalized treatments, as well as to improve the efficiency of clinical trials and drug development. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and assess credit risk, as well as to automate routine tasks like customer service and portfolio management. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize supply chains and production processes, as well as to develop new materials and products. According to a report by PwC, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to significantly transform the productivity and GDP of the global economy. The adoption of different types of AI technologies will be required to make this happen. Initially, gains in labor productivity will drive GDP improvements as companies implement AI to augment their workforce and automate tasks. Additionally, 45% of the economic gains by 2030 will come from product enhancements as AI drives greater product variety, personalization, attractiveness, and affordability. The greatest economic benefits from AI will be seen in China and North America, with a total boost to GDP of $10.7 trillion, accounting for almost 70% of the global economic impact. However, the AI revolution is not without its challenges and risks. One concern is that AI systems may perpetuate or even amplify existing biases and inequalities, particularly if they are trained on biased data or deployed in ways that reinforce existing power structures. Another concern is that the rapid pace of technological change may outstrip our ability to adapt and regulate effectively, leading to unintended consequences and potential harms. According to an article published in Financial Times discussing a recent paper from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, a few individuals and corporations control much of the resources and knowledge in the artificial intelligence (AI) sector, a phenomenon known as industrial capture. Private AI companies have quietly entrenched their power, and the lack of access means researchers cannot replicate the models built in corporate labs, nor can they probe or audit them for potential harms and biases very easily. Furthermore, public alternatives to corporate AI tech, such as models and datasets, are becoming increasingly scarce, and new applications are likely to be commercially driven rather than in the broader public interest. Researchers and policy experts agree that policymakers cannot turn a blind eye to this issue, but they disagree on the solutions. Ultimately, the success of the AI revolution will depend on our ability to harness its potential for the greater good. By working together to ensure that AI serves as a powerful tool for human flourishing and well-being, we can create a future in which technology works for us, rather than the other way around. The stakes could not be higher, but with the right approach and the right mindset, We can navigate this revolution and emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.